Business credit cards, they're not just for big shots, they're your secret weapon. With smart use, you can build a $175,000 credit line. That's money to grow your business. It's time to level up. Think of credit cards as leverage. They give you access to money you don't have yet. But be careful, credit cards can be dangerous. Used wrong, they lead to debt. Used right, they make you rich. This isn't about getting rich quick. This is about building wealth slowly and steadily. It's about taking control of your finances. It's about mastering the game of money. Are you ready to play? Not all credit cards are created equal. Some have high interest rates, others have annual fees. You need to find the right one for you. Start with your credit score. A higher score means better options. Look for cards with low or no annual fees. Rewards are great, but not essential. Focus on building a positive credit history first. Apply for one card at a time. Too many applications can hurt your score. Remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. Choose wisely and your credit card will become your most valuable tool. Getting a credit card is easy. Managing it is the real challenge. The key is to avoid high interest rates. Pay your balance in full every month. If you can't, pay as much as you can. Set a budget and stick to it. Track your spending. Don't spend more than you can afford to repay. Treat your credit card like a debit card. Only spend money you have. Discipline is key. Master your credit or it will master you. Section 4, building your financial fortress. Your credit score is your financial reputation. A good score opens doors. It gets you better interest rates, loan terms, and credit card offers. So, how do you build it? Pay your bills on time. This is the biggest factor. Keep your credit utilization low. Don't use more than 30% of your available credit. Check your credit report regularly. Dispute any errors. Building a good credit score takes time and effort, but the rewards are well worth it. Section 5, reaping the rewards, points, miles, and more. Now for the fun part, rewards. Business credit cards offer amazing perks. Cashback, travel points, miles, you name it. These perks can save you money and boost your business. Use your rewards wisely. Don't let them tempt you into overspending. Redeem them for things that benefit your business, like travel or office supplies. Think of it as free money for being responsible. Enjoy the perks, but remember the bigger picture. Building credit and managing your finances responsibly is the ultimate reward.